How to sell on Amazon if you live outside USA. Can I sell on Amazon US if I'm based in a different country? Guys, every day I come across these questions. Therefore, I decided to make a video together to share the good news. That is, yay! Yes, you can. In fact, you can sell on Amazon US from anywhere in the world, and I'm going to explain you exactly how to do so. In this video, I wanted to talk about how to sell on Amazon.com if you don't live in US. I am going to talk about all the things that you should probably be considering yourself if you are outside of the US based on my own experience, my student experience, and what I have been doing, as well as some of the things that I have learned over the couple of years. Welcome to my channel. I am Sanya, and this is the best place for Amazon FBA sellers who want financial freedom. So, you do not need to be living in the USA to be eligible to sell on Amazon US. I am going to show you exactly how to accomplish this so that you could be chilling on a beach in the Maldives while selling on Amazon US Marketplace. So, let's get started. One more thing, guys, if you want to know step by step how to start selling on Amazon, then do check out my video here. I will also give the link in the description down below. Let me tell you, Amazon operates 13 online marketplaces globally, enabling sellers to scale their business throughout the world, irrespective of where their businesses are physically established. So guys, I'm going to show you the list of Amazon marketplaces that include Europe. So you can see the list. The Europe in that is Germany, United Kingdom, France, Spain, and Italy. You can see their links also. And Asia, it will come India, Japan, China, and Australia. You can see the links also. You can check them out. In North America, it comes with Amazon.com.mx, that is Mexico, and that is Canada, United States. And then come the Brazil. You can see the links also and check them out yourself. Some of the online marketplaces are somewhat new. For example, the Australian market was established recently, but it's worth selling on. So you can check all these links and check the competition and the items being sold over there. A quick note, all the videos and important links mentioned in the video will be listed in the description below. So at the end of the video, go and do check out the description. So guys, firstly, check your country of residence or citizenship, whether it is an accepted for seller registration or not. Guys, all this information is both for personal and company accounts, so you can use them as for both accounts. The second thing is to check which currency is supported by Amazon in order for you to get paid. So again, I will leave this link in the description so that you can check. If you're on this list, then you don't have any issue, and congratulations. Next thing is how to get paid. The simplest way is, again, if you are on that country's accepted list and your currency is accepted, then you can open up a company bank account or personal bank account. If you are registering as a sole proprietor or individual Amazon seller, then you get paid into that bank account and Amazon will transfer from US dollars. So when Amazon disperse you amount every 2 weeks, then after converting to your home currency, it will come currently to your home bank account. But there are fees involved with Amazon's currency exchange rate, and it's approximately around 3%. So basically, they will convert them US dollars into that home currency. Maybe converting once at 3% does not seem much, but imagine if you are paying your supplier from the same account, then it is converting again and again, and it will add up the percentage. This way you can get twice and thrice time conversion rate, and this way you are going to lose a lot of money in terms of cutting your margin. So I don't recommend that you use Amazon's currency conversion. Guys, what I recommend you is to use a service for an intermediate service that will actually set up a local bank account in the US for you. Yes, that is possible, guys. You can use TransferWise and Pioneer. A lot of my students use TransferWise and it sometimes comes with a lot of benefits and easy to operate. I will leave the link so you can go and check out all of these Axe features. All of those services, they actually charge really low fees, like 1% or less. It's the best option, guys. They will also issue you a debit MasterCard associated with the account so that you can also do a lot of payments or other things where normally you could have to go and open a secondary debit card using your local bank account. So they makes it easy for you. Before we get into more detail, I wanted to thank all of you guys for watching and subscribing to my channel. I love hearing that I was able to help someone in their business and get them to a successful way. So once again, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also feel free to like this video. If you learned anything new, as always, and you want to ask me anything, you can comment here or check my Instagram account. DM me on Instagram. Also, if you guys want to get into my private exclusive mentorship, then do DM me or comment below and I will personally send you all the details. Okay guys, next thing is shipping. So physically you are not present, and that can be a kind of mind trip to some people where they think like, I'm located in Australia and I am in Canada, like how I'm going to ship goods from China to US. So let me tell you that FBA model is incredible. It does not matter if you never have to go to China. It will ship them directly to Amazon and then Amazon ships them to the customer. You don't have to be there for anything, and that's how I recommend you should do. That is ship directly from China to Amazon and then straight to the Amazon FBA warehouse. You don't need to do a thing or a third-party center to store the goods at any point in the US. If you want to know how to do the Amazon FBA step by step, then check my free cheat sheet here, and it is the first link in the description below. This will help you understand this system perfectly. Guys, I highly recommend that you inspect your goods in the Chinese factory and then get into the Amazon FBA warehouse. So the easiest way to do this is for me to show you, and hundreds of my students are doing, is to just get a pre-shipment inspection in China at your supplier's factory before they get shipped. One of my favorite one is Asia inspection, but there are lots of other inspection services. They are going to be charging between $200 to $300 per inspection. So by getting them done, we'll guarantee that you have sufficient information about the quality of your products. If there's any issues, you can get them fixed up right away. After that, you will create a shipment plan in Amazon Seller Central, and the address will be given to you of the FBA warehouse. You can also use a freight forwarder to help you with the shipping. Next comes the registration. Yes guys, if your country is on the list, then register your company wherever you live. So if you are an Australian, then register in Australia. If you live in the UK, then register in the UK. That is the most simple thing, as you know all the tax regulations of your country and can handle the process. So if your country isn't on this country's accepted list, then register US LLC, which is very easy to do. A lot of people also ask me, do I need an LLC or do I need to create a business in the United States if I want to sell in the United States? And the technical answer is no. You don't need to. You can definitely sell as a sole proprietor, which basically means you are selling as yourself if you don't need a legal entity, but you can definitely have a legal entity like LLC to protect you and your company. Now let's talk about the tax obligations and what are the requirements to pay taxes. I did a lot of research on this. As you know, I want to provide the best possible information as I can. There are two different aspects that you want to be considering. One is sales tax and the other one is income tax. There are two common questions that I get. One is, do I need to pay income tax in the US because I'm selling in the US? And secondly, how can I pay less taxes? Firstly, I want to clear out that I am not an accountant, so this is just my experience and what I have learned. So I always recommend seeing a professional in your own country. You will not be responsible for income taxes in the US, and there are various income tax systems work around the world, and you have to see which one fit into, and you will be responsible for income taxes according to the taxation system of your country. There are 4 different income tax systems. The first one is tax-free, no income tax. The second one is territorial taxation. It means that the income tax is based on the source of the income. So if you are selling on Amazon that is sourced from outside your country on Amazon, then there is no income tax on the income those earned outside of your country. So that's territorial taxation. The third type is residence-based taxation. Is this far the most common one? So what that means is, if you live in the UK, Canada or Australia and selling on Amazon US, then you will be taxed on the income. So guys, the fourth one is sales tax. Basically, sales tax is a consumable tax placed on retail sales, leases or rentals of more goods, and any taxable services in the state requires that. Guys, if this all is very confusing, then do leave a comment down below and let me know. And guys, if you really want to get to the next level of help, then guys, you can join my coaching program. You can also get my personal templates and inquiries for negotiation, profit calculation, cease and desist letter, and also all the other details that you need to be successful on Amazon. I hope that I answered all of your questions about how to sell on Amazon as a non-US based seller. I hope you found the video really valuable and you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to smash the like button if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, as well as get more videos and watch it every week. So guys, don't forget, I have left all the resources in the links below. And lastly, if you want more comprehensive step-by-step training on how to sell on Amazon FBA successfully, then make sure to check out my own Amazon FBA training. That's going to be the first link down. Yes, that's the first link, yeah. If you have any questions, let me know, because I respond to every question and every comment that you have. And guys, please do watch my next video as it is very helpful for you. So see you guys.